Millions of packages are shipped daily, but the tape sealing them has a hidden environmental cost. That plastic tape can jam recycling machines, contaminating whole batches of cardboard. When it misses the recycler, this tape is non-biodegradable and persists for centuries. For UK businesses aiming for sustainability, this creates a major, often unnoticed roadblock. In this guide, we'll compare the leading sustainable tapes so you can make an informed choice. So, where do we begin? The most common eco-friendly alternative is paper-based tape. It's a simple switch with a significant impact. Unlike plastic tape from fossil fuels, paper tape originates from a renewable resource: wood pulp. This immediately reduces reliance on finite materials. Its biggest advantage is simplicity. Paper tape can be recycled right along with the cardboard box. No need for separation, no contamination. Look for certifications like FSC, which guarantees the paper is from responsibly managed forests. This confirms the entire life cycle is sustainable. But standard paper tape has its limits. What if you need more strength, better security, and even higher performance? This brings us to our next category: water-activated tape, or WAT. It looks like paper tape, but it works in a fundamentally different way. Why is WAT so different? When moistened, its adhesive penetrates the carton's fibers. As it dries, it creates a permanent bond. The tape literally becomes part of the box. This bond is the source of its main benefit: tamper evidence. You cannot remove the tape without leaving obvious, visible damage to the carton, greatly increasing security. So with WAT, you get the environmental benefits of paper tape, plus a level of security that standard plastic tape cannot match. But a special dispenser and wetting process, doesn't that make packing slow and inefficient? Surprisingly, the opposite is true. Studies show a watt dispenser can boost packing throughput by 21% and cut tape usage by 50%. Paper-based tapes are excellent, but they aren't the only innovation. What if you need the performance of plastic without the environmental cost? Meet tape made from recycled PET plastic. Some options contain up to 60% total recycled content, with a backing from 85% post-consumer material. This isn't just eco-friendly, it's a high performer. It's ideal for cold chains, remaining effective in temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius. Looking to the future, we see emerging compostable tapes. These are designed to break down completely in industrial composting facilities. From recycled plastics for extreme cold to compostable options for zero waste, the market is providing answers for almost every business need. With so many options, choosing the best one gets complicated. There are vital details and risks you need to be aware of. For instance, is paper always better? Depending on the specific process, manufacturing paper can actually be more energy-intensive than producing plastic. This complexity opens the door to greenwashing. Vague claims like eco-friendly are meaningless without verifiable data and third-party certifications. You also need to know the terminology. Recycling-friendly is not the same as recycled. Certifications like INHEIDE Method 12 verify the former, so careful evaluation is required. But why is this so significant for UK businesses right now? Two powerful forces are at play: regulation and consumer demand. First, the UK plastic packaging tax. It financially penalises businesses using plastic packaging with less than 30% recycled content, creating a direct incentive to switch. Second, your customers are demanding change. An overwhelming 81% of UK consumers want sustainable packaging, and half are willing to pay more for it. Remember how plastic tape jams recycling machines? These tax and consumer pressures are the market's way of forcing a solution to that exact problem. And recall the efficiency gains of WAT? When you combine up to 50% less tape usage with tax savings and higher customer satisfaction, the business case is clear. The landscape continues to evolve. Forthcoming EU regulations like the PPWR will further harmonise rules on recyclability, affecting any UK business trading with the EU. So let's recap the choice. Renewable paper tape for simplicity, secure water-activated tape for performance, and recycled PET for specialised needs. The UK market offers a powerful toolkit of sustainable tapes. Understanding these differences is now about making smart, secure, and financially sound business decisions. The right choice depends on your specific needs, your product, your shipping process, and your customer expectations. The power is in making that choice an informed one. Ready to learn more? Compare the technical specs and find the ideal tape for your business.